I think देखो BTS के पीछे और एक BTS डालना पड़ेगा that we were not drunk, we only ate Korean food. We are high on sugar. Korean food. We are high on sugar basically right now. You get criticized a lot for being a 23-year-old. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my two best friends with me, and what are we gonna do?
Hello.
Do you have any idea?
We are actually forced to do this thing, which we are really not interested in. So let's start and let's just finish it off.
If we try,
You're
please
not
don't
gonna
judge.
cry.
You're not
Please
gonna
don't
cry.
just judge us based on our
Reactions.
choices of life. But this was one of us. One of us doing such things. Don't judge us.
Okay, so I'm like making them react to BTS. So I am a fan.
Behind the scene.
No, I'm gonna pass on that one.
No,
Do that. Explain it to them.
Shut up. They know.
They
I'm
know
a
it.
fan. They know.
But I did not know, and I was
So
against
that's
it.
why-
I was against it.
that's
So
why
that
I'm
is the
showing you
reason
this
we should
video.
Tell them what
That's-
is BTS.
Why are we
I don't
arguing?
have to do it again.
No. That's
Go
why I'm making you react to this. No, that's why I'm making
Okay,
you
go
watch
ahead.
this.
Let's just finish this off. It's going to be BTS. It is going to be behind the scenes.
Basically, I don't think you guys have watched any music videos apart from Dynamite, right? Dynamite because I sent it to you
वो
guys.
भी पूरा नहीं था. मैंने actually नहीं देखा. And
You
in
should-
BTS I'm not watching.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, okay.
So you guys have never heard any songs of them?
You just heard Dynamite.
Yeah, because that's the only thing we understood. Dynamite. The whole song is in English.
हाँ मतलब वो समझा नहीं ना because
No, मतलब we did. मतलब इतना प्यार से नहीं देखा. So basically they have not heard any songs. So you guys don't know anything about them.
No.
This is the first time you
I
guys
think
are
it's
gonna
a
be
group of six.
seven.
Seven.
So basically we'll just start reacting to it. So yeah.
Damn.
इतना ज़्यादा crowd कोरिया में था. कोरिया में था.
How many of you have heard of BTS?
Yeah.
Who is BTS? And why are they so popular?
You guys can ask anything if you want to
BTS
ask.
is a
Which one?
seven-member group from South Korea. While the words boy band are often associated with the image of screaming teen girls, that is far from reality. First, there's nothing wrong with being a young person showing love for something you enjoy. But what if I told you about 24% are in their 20s, 28% are in their 30s, and 21%
Yeah.
are in their 40s? Take a closer look at this age and gender demographic for BTS in 2020 after the Seoul ticket sales. Females ages 25 and up made 46% of web traffic, and 31% were males. BTS's fans named ARMY will often tell you BTS is not
Yeah,
your
just hold
boy
it.
band. And why?
You
To
guys
get
can
a
talk.
better understanding, let us go back to the beginning. BTS was created by Big Hit Entertainment, whose mission statement is music and artists for healing. The company, and namely their CEO, Bang Ji-hyuk, wanted BTS to be sincere and genuine figures that people could easily relate to and grow with. Not immaculate idols groomed amid studio culture, but real boys who shared their authentic personalities and talents with the world. Which is why BTS stands for Bangtansoryundan, Korean for bulletproof.
BTS.
Yes, Korean for bulletproof or bulletproof Boy Scouts.
Meaning to be resistant to bullets, so it means to
You'll understand why. You'll understand why.
Army.
out stereotypes, criticisms, and expectations that are aimed at adolescents like
To the
boys to preserve the value and ideals of today's adolescents. So at first, living together in a small apartment was a challenge. Their CEO, Bang Ji-hyuk, created a method for the boys whenever they got into an argument.
일단 싸워도 된다. 싸움을 두려워하기 때문에 갈등이 커지는 거다라고 가르치고요. 그다음 마지막으로는 단 해녀는 7이 같이 하는 거다.
It's like how he
싸움은
does
뒤에도
that.
해결은 7명이 같이 해라. 하기 너무 창피한 걸로 싸워보면 해도 결국 같이 와서 저희가 이런 문제를 갖고 둘이 싸웠는데 이렇게 해서 이렇게 해결됐습니다라고 얘기를 하고 그런 부분들이 이 팀의 친화력을 혹은 시너지를 강하게 만들고 있지 않나.
That's concern.
Over the
I'll explain this to you. Why this is more important in groups because कोरिया का ग्रुप्स का बॉय ग्रुप हो या गर्ल ग्रुप हो जो भी आइडल्स बेसिकली दे आर कॉल्ड आइडल्स उनका ऐसा सीन है दैट people say they are like put together and made practice 20 hours out of 24 hours per day and they are just like a piece made in a factory. So and basically that's why people believe that there's no bond because they come from all over the place from Korea. So that is why the method he used for them to come closer was very important because the kind of bond we see between them it is very rare to see.
Okay.
So that is the reason why.
So basically, you work like a family or friends together.
Yeah, basically it's that.
You maintain a bond with other people
That's
so
what
that you
BTS,
don't
not a
fight,
BTS.
and that is the reason BTS is so successful. You could say or so
Yeah, kind
popular
of.
within the youth
Because they
and
have chemistry. Yeah,
which
yeah. Back to
The boys have come to love each other despite their difference in personalities, to the point where they feel incomplete with one member missing. They became each other's strength and support and
this is
formed
very
a
rare to see
brotherhood.
between groups.
내 머릿속에는 이렇게 멤버들이 있어야 뭔가 자연스러운 그러니까 뭔가 내 핸드폰이나 지갑처럼 없으면 불안한 그런 것들 있잖아.
그냥 소중하다 못해 없으면 안 될 사람들이 왜냐면은 넘어져도 저 혼자 일어나는 게 아니라 그냥 같이 일어나는 거니까 좀 생각을 해보면 이런 7명이 어떻게 모였을까라는 생각이 들어요. 이제 네. 오래 지냈다고 해서 될 문제나 어떻게 보면 운명인 것 같아요. 네. 되게 유치하다. 그냥 운명이었던 것 같아요.
Their climb to the top may seem sudden to those who didn't follow their journey, but it was far from a walk in the park.
They are not
BTS's
over
company, Big Hit Entertainment, started off small and faced numerous hardships, even coming close to bankruptcy. Since Big Hit wasn't a large company at
हाँ, this Korea में ना there are 3 main music companies. So if you are not a group from these 3 companies, you won't get noticed. So there are other companies जैसे इनकी है, तो people were like यार ये बड़ी कंपनी में से नहीं है, so they are not talented. So basically people were like and everyone if they see talent in other company के इसमें, so they try to bring them down by not giving them broadcast, not
Makes
TV
sense.
appearance kind of thing. All politics which is very normal everywhere.
At times, it lacked the resources for promoting BTS. Even getting the chance to debut was a fluke. Their debut performance opportunity came about because a music show needed a filler for someone else's spot. Even after they debuted, their performances would often get cut, and if they did make it on air, their screen time was very short since Big Hit didn't have the power or influence bigger companies
Not
had
money.
over broadcasts. Since they were often not invited to a lot of big variety shows, the company found their own way to communicate with their audience through platforms such as YouTube. By vlogging their journey, they allowed us to discover their personalities.
They are just
They
good
also
vloggers.
created their own variety shows and often live streamed with fans. They honed their crafts for hours on end, practicing in the dance studio and producing music, returning home at dawn to all sleep in one bedroom. 2 years of hard
Yeah,
work and not knowing
because
where
they did not
ended
have
up, they
bigger place to
finally
live.
won their first music show award.
now they do.
Yet,
Now they do.
as they grew in popularity, they
अभी
were
तो buildings
mostly
हैं उनके नाम
accused
की.
of sanjity, which is when a company buys their own artist albums to boost sales for the charts. That's because
This is
people
very
couldn't
ridiculous.
believe a group from a small company
That's
was
right.
selling well.
Basically, they won the first award after 2 years. Like they debuted in 2013. 2015 में they won their first award, and the people, the Korean citizens, they did not believe it because they are like, यार ये इतना छोटा कंपनी का ग्रुप है, how can they win? They are lying. They bought their own albums. Basically, Sajedi, what she mentioned earlier,
Okay,
it is basically the company, not plagiarism.
No,
That
that
is
is-
that is different.
Sajin is basically the company buys their own albums to
Just
show
to
that
show the
हमारा
numbers.
album इतना बिका है.
Popular हुआ.
But they did not think कि इनके पास पैसे ही नहीं थे तो ये लोग खुद के ही albums कैसे buy करें.
True.
ignoring the fact that a small company wouldn't have the resources to pull off such a scam. These were just a few of their hardships and struggle. They shattered cultural language barriers with music and attracted an
That is
international
something to be
audience.
proud of.
They grew organically by
Major,
staying
all
true
the
to
songs are
themselves
good.
while building a genuine connection with their fans from around the world. During an era where streaming numbers have gone up and traditional album sales have gone down, BTS has become an industry anomaly. Their latest album, Map of the Soul 7, released February 21, 2020, is the best-selling physical album of the year without a single bundle. And what does bundle mean? Artists will bundle merchandise or concert tickets
The one she
with
ordered.
sales. For
Without that.
I ordered plain album only. Album only I ordered.
example, without the help of bundles and driven by the power of armies alone, BTS were able to beat a lot of historic
That is an
records,
achievement.
such as Michael Jackson's 36-year record and the Beatles' 22-year record. While these musical acts are famous around the world, Sugar has said it's a great honor to be called the Beatles of the 21st century. At the same time, it's a bit
I have two biases in this group. Biases is basically the one you like more other than others. I like all 7 of them, but 2 like I relate to. So just guess. No, just guess who are my biases. 2 biases.
One is this.
Yeah, you're right. And
Yeah,
second,
because we've seen them.
where you have seen him? No, that is the young
I
man.
think these two.
Yes, she's right. You weren't right. These 2. He's the leader.
Okay.
And he's the main dancer.
ये छोटा है ना सबसे?
नहीं ये छोटा है
ये
सबसे.
अरे he is the youngest.
He is the youngest.
Dude. Don't go ahead.
pressuring to be called that. We are BTS. We want to be the BTS of the 21st century. The members have contributed as either writers and or producers on every album. All of BTS are associate members of the Korean Music Copyright Association. And as of August 2020, J-Hope, Suga, and RM were all promoted to full members of the association. They even create music
ये सारे free
activities
songs
for
हैं,
free
SoundCloud
on SoundCloud as gifts to their fans. Much of that
These are basically albums, okay, that are free on SoundCloud.
health, youth and female empowerment, child abuse, cyberbullying, self-love and development, and socioeconomic injustice. Much of the work is also inspired by past writers and thinkers. Their latest series, Map of the Soul, incorporates psychological concepts by Swiss psychiatrist Carl Jung. BTS is not afraid to use their platform to amplify underrepresented voices and issues, taking numerous risks with their career while receiving backlash from people in power. BTS are also as charitable as they are talented. One of BTS's few public announcements was in November 2017 for their Love Myself campaign. They partnered with UNICEF to create a campaign aimed at protecting children and teenagers from around the world, with the hope of making the world a better place through music. BTS and their company, Big Hit Entertainment, pledged 500 million Korean won and donated 3% of the income from the sales of physical albums of the Love Yourself series, along with 6 other fundraising initiatives, including the Love Myself merchandise, where 100% of its proceeds were pledged to the cause. The Love Yourself series, which contained 3 albums total, sold over 7
I have this
million
wala, this
copies
wala.
worldwide. On September
But उनके भी
24,
चार हैं।
2018,
Wow.
BTS was invited to deliver a speech about the United Nations General Assembly.
The speech
On
is
January 15, 2020,
You will not.
Formula E announced their partnership with BTS to help combat climate change. On June 3, 2020, BTS tweeted their support for Black Lives Matter. A few days later, Variety reported that BTS and Big Hit Entertainment had donated $1 million to support the Black Lives Matter movement.
This
When
was
artists got
crazy,
wind
yeah.
of the news, they
We were
matched
online
the
at that
$1
time.
million
जब 24 hours खत्म होने वाले थे, and like, yeah, we
Now,
have reached
these are
1
just a
million.
couple of their
Armies
acts
all
of
around the
charity.
world, 24 hours में
With
they
their
do
social
it.
conscious music, BTS created a new fandom culture that brings together fans from different national and racial identities. This led to the emergence of bilingual ARMY volunteers who translated BTS Korean lyrics and videos in their language
We still have
in real
translators,
time,
huh?
making the content
They,
immediately
translate
available to
everything.
non-Korean
Like अगर
speakers.
कोई live चालू है
We
ना,
may all speak
it is live, so they are
different
speaking in
languages,
Korean.
but
So
music and
while
message
having a
connect people
live
around the
translation
world
होता है.
with different ethnicities, background, gender, and age. BTS has also expressed their love and respect for ARMY countless of times, such as always mentioning them first during speeches, responding to fans on their social media app,
Yeah, one to one.
Weverse, showing their appreciation for
It is not
projects,
automated, huh?
holding
the artist,
rehearsals for the Muslim prayers in Saudi Arabia. The youngest member, Jungkook, even got the fan name tattooed on his hand. Together with ARMY, they grew as individuals and as artists.
때문에 그렇게 된 거라고. 다른 사람들을 위해서 노래를 내게 하는 거기 때문에 그런 부분이 진짜 내가
I thought you like him. Yeah, I like him. That's I like too. Yeah. Jimin and I.
쉽지는 않지만 진짜 콘서트를 제가 이 방탄소년단
Jimin was the reason why I started watching BTS.
여러분들이라면
Listen to this.
여러분의 꿈이 아니더라도 여러분의 삶, 여러분의 인생에 언젠가 저희의 존재가, 저희의 음악이, 저희의 무대가, 저희의 사진, 영상이 여러분한테 아주
I like
조금이라도
him and Jimin.
만큼이 100이라면 그 100을 99, 98, 97로 만들어줄 수 있다면 그걸로 저희의 존재 가치는 충분합니다.
Their love for ARMY has also helped them decide on re-signing another 7-year contract with Big Hit Entertainment. They mentioned doing it for their fans and not for money. So while people often discredit BTS's talent, likening their popularity to superficial aspects that come with the image of a boy band, it is their development of personalities and sincerity towards their art and their fans that made their fandom the size and reach that it has become. I hope people will come to realize that BTS is more than just their singing and their dancing skills. They're not just performers, but artists who have healed and inspired millions of people around the world. For a deeper dive into BTS, please refer to these websites.
I don't want you guys to like it or start listening to them. What are you guys just thought?
But this hasn't influenced me to start listening to them. But then I do have a changed perspective just as Chocolate Boys. And
That's what I wanted.
yeah, Sugar Figures. उसके
Yeah.
अलावा, you know, like the journey is
Something that you should know.
yeah, something that you should know and
That
respect.
exists and not just. Okay, just understand it basically. Understand the people who like it.
Understand the people who like it. Huh? You guys already
So you can
know that.
basically cannot just judge. You should.
इतना ज़्यादा like होते हैं।
नहीं,
But
मतलब I-
But
that's what
actually,
I feel.
people actually directly judge because
Yeah.
I follow them since I guess end of 2018 or start of 2019, and no one knew about this because people are very easy to judge. Still, people are like, oh, you like BTS, but that is like very wrong for someone to say. Like opinions are fine, but
I
don't
think what
discredit
she said
something.
was right, you know, it just comes because I think people just judge because
Because of the cover,
of the cover. मतलब ये
not
it's
what's
like-
inside, not what's in the screen.
हाँ, like see, they were popular, so they
Yeah.
already and Korean is a completely
Different language.
No, it's a
language,
different culture.
culture,
It's a different.
and I think
perspective
they're the only
altogether.
they're the only artist, boy band जो होते कोई भी artist जो like we are all used to Western music and अपना Indian classical and Indian stuff. But then it's good to know the story behind the scenes.
I want
time I
show.
can just listen to Dynamite.
We'll just go and release Dynamite.
See,
Dynamite-
Dynamite was their first full-length English song. Otherwise, they just sing in Korean, and that's an achievement because even after releasing so many Korean songs, there are more fans who are getting into BTS.
But the thing is that, let's say for example for us, it's kind of difficult to dive into different culture and take the effort to understand. True. So it's
Because-
easier when you don't have a communication gap. I think this is the main reason why people criticize BTS so much, or people are not very open to liking BTS. If there were more English songs,
If you want to listen to their songs or relate to them, you
Right.
need to read the lyrics.
Right.
Because their lyrics are very amazing. Like they have deeper meaning and everything.
music ऐसी चीज है ना, songs basically, music is different, songs are different. Songs तब तुम्हें अच्छे लगते हैं जब तुम्हें lyrics पता चलती है उस चीज की. True. And that is genuinely one of the main reasons
I think that
people
is
have difficulty
even
in
that
starting.
can differ from a person to person.
Yeah.
For a person like you who's into Western music, and for a person who like me who's into Bollywood music, not Bollywood movie.
If you're listening to him, you don't understand music.
Good point. No,
Don't
like,
listen to Tamil. We live in India, we don't listen to Tamil and all of it. Korean दूर की बात होती है.
That's he was basically the RM. He was an underground rapper. Second was Sugar. He was also an underground rapper. तो जब वो लोग आइडल बने ना, तो जो rappers underground rappers थे उन्होंने उनको बहुत सुना है. That you wear makeup on stage and you guys are like girls, which is very normal nowadays.
but
Most guys wear makeup.
don't the TV artists or the actors aren't they the ones also who wear the makeup?
That's what I'm saying. No, people don't see that. अभी अपने Indian actors also wear makeup on TV. But still, the guys will be like, you like BTS, they wear makeup. What is this? That doesn't make sense. It's
Makes
not.
no sense.
Yeah,
Actually
it's
makes
not
no
true.
sense.
Yeah.
Makes no sense.
So very
Go to
nice.
Korea.
I do want to visit Korea.
तेरा तो अलग ही
No,
plan
no,
है.
मेरा पहले से Japan and Korea I want to visit because it's beautiful.
I want to go to Japan. For reasons unrelated.
Your final thoughts. Your final thoughts.
Thank you for making us watch the video. We were a different person
Before this video.
Before and now very different.
Before
thinking about BTS.
before watching
It
BTS
did
का
change
video
the
after.
perspective.
Yeah.
So that's, I
You
think everybody
guys-
should try.
You guys might want to listen their song. Might.
Yeah, definitely.
We might.
Yeah, but the ones
We might. Yeah.
There's
is
only
what
one.
Dynamite, yeah.
There's only
We
one.
don't mind.
Sorry,
It is
we
not
are
a-
fans.
Until
But
unless we are not
it's,
comfortable to, you know,
It's always-
understand.
yeah, it's okay.
We'll watch Dynamite.
Yeah, but
Okay, bye.
I hope you guys enjoyed our reaction, basically their reaction. And yeah, if you're still here, 21st go, we can watch Butter together.
yes, let's do
We'll
it.
react Butter together.
And
yes.
no stars, no baking.
Shut up.
No cooking.
Shut up!
Her.
Shut up. I'm excited for their new single. So, anyways, that's all. That's all we got for today. Bye everyone.